We're gonna do geometry today and finding the measure of missing angle. So we have couple tips. Like first of all, tip number one, a straight angle, which is a straight line, is equal to 180 degrees, right? So that's my tip. And which one is a straight angle over here? This one. Number two, the circumference of a circle is equal to 360 degrees. So if we have a circle like that, it's going to be 360 degrees, right? That's tip number two. So half of it would be a straight angle. And what is the measure of a straight angle? 180 degrees. So this is 180 degrees, right? 180 plus 180 is equal to 360. That's the circumference. If I split this circle into quarters, what would be each measure? We know that the half of it is 180, so what would be the measure of a quarter? Yes?
90.
That would be 90, and that's a right angle. And what would be that part? 90. And that makes everything much simpler when we have to do something like this complicated. This is probably 4th or 5th grade standard. But anyway, when we know all these, it's much easier. First of all, I have a straight angle here, which is 180. And now I have to do the math, which makes it very simple. I have to add, someone help me add 50 plus 30 plus 62. And then we will find the missing number. What would be 50 plus 30 plus 62? We add them up, and this is gonna give us the missing part. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 2, 2. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 6.
It's gonna be 142.
So 8 plus 6 is 142. So the total of this, if you think about it, I'm gonna color it. The total of this angle is 142. So what would be the missing part? We know that it's 180, right? The half of it. And so we have already 3 angles which add to 142. What you need to do is take the 180 and subtract 142. 180 and subtract 142. And now, a subtraction with regrouping. I have 0 money. Can I subtract 2 out of 0? No, what do I do?
Change the 0 to 10 from the 8.
This becomes 10 and this becomes 7. 10 minus 2? 8. And 7 minus 4? 3. So the missing angle here, T, is equal to 38 degrees. So this is the missing one over here, 38 degrees. So let's verify that's accurate, 38 degrees for the green one. So you see now it's halfway colored, even though different colors, every color represents different angle. So if we add them up, what would be the sum? If we add them up, what would be the sum? 180? So we have to add them all up, and it's going to be 180, correct? Mm-hmm. So we start 50 plus what's next?
30.
Plus 30 plus 30 plus what?
62.
Plus 62 and plus 38. Okay, let's see if it's going to be 180. 8 plus 2? 10, and I'm carrying 1. 1 plus 5? 6 plus 3? 6 plus
9.
9 plus 6? 9 plus 6?
15.
15 plus 3?
18.
18. So 180. So when we all add them up, it became 180. So we just found out that the missing part of this circle is 38 degrees. In this case, I'm missing something here on the bottom. Let's find out. Did you guys understand how it's being done?
Yeah.
We have to know a couple things. Half of it is 180, the whole is 360, and a quarter is 90. That's it, and you can solve any problem. So let's see this part that's missing over here. So what I do first, I add what I have already. And I'm gonna start with 180 minus, you can write it as an equation. The missing one, we can say it's an x is equal to question mark. And then we have 180, which is the total, minus 32 minus 18 degrees minus 59 is equal to x, correct? So 180 minus, well, I'm gonna just add them because it's easier to add, not to make a mistake, and then we'll subtract. 32 plus 18 plus 59. 8 plus 2 is 10, and 9, 19, I'm carrying 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 1 is 5, plus 5 is 10, 109. So 109 minus 180. Okay, we're borrowing here, just one moment. We're borrowing, we have 7, we have 10, we have 1, 7 minus 0 is 7, that is 71 degrees. Okay, good job.